Hey guys, this is Temujin from SL Colonies, and today I'd like to introduce you the Region Server for sim owners. It is a cool little server. Basically, one of the main things it does is on our portal website is when you res one of these onto your land, it'll automatically list your region in this web page. So people that want to know what sims are using SL Colonies, they can view this list and go visit the region. It has SL URLs on there as well, so you can just teleport straight to your region. It's a bit like the marketplaces, so your markets have this as well. The more markets there are, you can find out where some markets are on different sims and go visit them. But let's go through this region server. Once you res it on your land, you can only have one per sim. If another one gets resed by the same owner, it'll replace the server key, so here on the database. If you've already claimed the sim as yours, someone else can't come in and res another server. It just won't let them. It'll say you aren't the owner of this region. Basically, the main idea of the region server though is, in its contents, it's got all the tools that can be crafted in game. Now, tools are things that players have in their HUD. So if they went to the toolbox, tool icon here, they can use a tool. If I went to use, say, my lumberjack axe, it will automatically attach to my avatar, right? But for me to be able to use a tool, first a player has to grab the tool. And what the get tool button does is it automatically grabs one of these items that are in the inventory of the region server, and it will send it into the contents of the player's HUD. So once it's in a player's HUD, it can be attached as a tool. So if I wanted to grab a tool, for example, if I've got one, nope, I have none anyway, but you'd click the tool and it will send it to your HUD, and then you can wear it in future. As the owner of a region server, you can left click on it and you'll get a link to your edit page for your server information. So let's open it, and in here you can view all your server information. You can change the name of your region if you don't want to use the default land parcel setting. You can change the SURL, which you probably want to do because the default one would be exactly where your server is, so that's pointing to that. So I'd want, for example, to go to the center of my land, or where I want my landing zone to be, and I would copy this URL from here and I'd put it back into this web page, and that's the new URL. You can make a HTTP, HTTPS, whatever you like. So I'll just do what it was. You can add a description of your land, or it just grabs what's in your parcel. You can change a region type, so I'll just do my main store, and you can change the graphics. So let's grab a graphic. I wonder if this has the... yeah, this has a default. So let's grab... see what I've got here. Let's just do a demo of this, for example. No. So a pumpkin. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what happens. Copy the asset UUID and you paste it into here and update your region. Right. So now when a person goes onto the main web page, let's go back to the main page. It hasn't updated, probably because my cache hasn't updated. But if I empty my cache, it'll put the new UID up there. You can view your own SLC regions. These are all the ones that I have region servers for, and you can edit them anytime in here. And that's pretty much how that works. And I've got test description, that's a counter earth, so that's another one. Oh, that's, yes, I see why it didn't work. Because I was logged in as Temujin instead of SL Colonies. So if I now change a counter earth one to that picture I just showed you, and I put the new UUID in, and hit update, now that region, I go to the main page, and now you'll see the change. So I don't think it's anything to do with my cache. And there it goes. So that's because I was actually logged in under Attila instead of my alt account, which is what has the region. So yeah, that's pretty much it there. You have to have one of these region servers on your sim to allow players to get tools, and you can't have more than one on a sim. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next one.